How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. Today we'll be going over the installation of the new SVE GT350 brake caliper adapter brackets for the 2015-20 S550 Mustang. What we have here in front of me is SVE's new GT350 brake caliper adapter brackets. These brackets are offered in two different fitment options. There will be the 15.5-inch GT350 or the 15-inch Performance Pack rotor applications. Both of these will utilize the massive 6-piston Brembo calipers from the factory GT350. Installation will be the same on either kit, the only difference being the rotor being used. Follow along and we will show you how these go onto your S550 Mustang. Before you pick these up, you'll want to head over to our website and download our PDF template to make sure that you have proper wheel clearance before ordering these parts. Checking over your wheels will be an easy task. SVE will have our wheel fitment template. By using this, you'll be able to verify any wheel you have to make sure you do not run into any fitment issues. This template will be found on our product page. Start by printing out the correct template for your application. When doing this, you need to make sure to print at 100% scale. After printing, you can verify the measurements provided on the template with a ruler or a tape measure. Now you can transfer the template by taping this to a piece of cardboard. Using a razor or a pair of scissors, cut along the dotted line. The hub area will be a standard 70.5mm Mustang application. Insert the template into the hub area of the wheel and make sure this fits snugly. Rotate the template and check for proper clearance. The goal here is to at least have a minimum of 2.5mm. If you do run into any clearance like this wheel, you will need to consider another wheel option at this time. First, support your vehicle via lift or Jackson jack stands and remove both front tires. Next, you will need to remove all of your factory brakes. Make sure to check out the video in the description below to show you how this is done. Once you have all the factory brakes off the car, you will need to install the new SVE caliper brackets to the factory spindle. When installing these, make sure that the SVE logo faces towards the inside of the car. Use the supplied spindle bolts and torque these down to 85 pound-feet. Next, slip the new GT350 caliper over the rotor and install both of the new caliper bolts. These will be a T60 Torx and torque these down to 136 pound-feet. Once you have everything into place, you will need to go over any brake bleeding and pad burnishing procedures for your corresponding brake pads, depending on the manufacturer specifications. Also, make sure to double check your choice of wheels and make sure that you check for any clearance issues. Well, everyone, this is a really easy job to do in your driveway over a few hours with basic hand tools and mechanical knowledge. These larger GT350 brakes will not only give you better stopping power, but will make your Mustang's front end look great at the same time. To see more how-to videos covering industry-leading parts and service, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and turn on notifications. And as always, make sure to keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.